Thank you, Miss Sandy.
You're welcome, Judge.
And we don't have an opening today, so it's just gonna be Marie Wiley.
Yes.
Okay, can you put the phone down just a little bit so I can see more of your face, please? Thank you, ma'am. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Marie Antoinette Wiley. This is ticket number P1285126. Count 1, prohibited left turn. Count 2, expired plates. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P1137801. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Also calling in warrant status ticket number SP 906488. Count 1, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, state your name.
Marie Wiley.
Thank you. Ms. Wiley, good morning, and good morning, Your Honor. We're here for show cause, so we will, for that purpose, waive any formal reading of the information and mute. Your Honor, we ask here for a pretrial date that the defendant between now and that next action date has been advised and instructed as to how she can come back with a valid driver's license. There are matters, I think, that were read onto the record this morning that are in default. I'm moving to set aside default in those matters, specifically for the following reasons: that the tickets that were issued on SP 1285126 counts 1, 2, and 3 were issued to the defendant on November 29th of 2021, Your Honor. But we're not entered into the court system until, I want to say, May of 2022. It was some 6 months before, 5 months actually, that before the defendant would have been able to schedule a court date. The court scheduled a July court date, which the defendant missed, not for any other purpose than that was an accident, and she didn't know that she had that July court date. She did receive this show cause date. This is her first opportunity to appear before the court. She is in fact not guilty of these counts, and would ask that the court set aside the default and set these matters for the same pretrial date as requested on the warrant.
Okay.
So, to be so chatty.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. I'm going to set aside the bench warrant that is currently out there for her on the SP case from 2017 and enter not guilty pleas on everything. I will set this over for a pretrial on the date. Ms. Wiley, you got to make sure you show up to your court dates. I know that that was a long time for these items to go into the system. I know we were having some issues with getting them in as quickly as possible. So I am going to set aside the civil infractions that are in default and put them on my docket along with the other cases. So I'll see you back on April 11th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom for your next action date of a pretrial, okay?
Okay.
All right. I'll see you then, Ms. Wiley, okay? Bond set at $0 personal on all of your matters.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
Okay, you too.
I will, thank you.
I'm sorry, excuse me.
Yes, Ms. Wiley.
Is somebody gonna give me the Zoom numbers too? Or is
It's
it
the
gonna be
same
there?
Zoom number, but I can give it to you. You want it?
Yes.
360
Uh-huh.
337 0000.
Okay, you said it's April 11th.
Yes, April 11th, okay? April 11th at 8:30 a.m. 8:30 a.m. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
You're very welcome. Come with all that stuff done so that they can give you a different offer, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. All right, Mr. Ware, you got to get someplace quiet, okay? Now calling the matter of the people versus Jonathan Ware. This is ticket P1369367. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name for the record, please, sir?
You have to unmute yourself.
Yes, Jonathan Ware.
Thank you so much.
The defendant presents today with compliance documents, Your Honor. There should be a forthcoming recommendation to dismiss these cases. I would stipulate the probable cause for that here and now. Thank you.
All right. Being an officer of the court, having seen proper documentation, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. You're all set, sir, okay? Make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle, okay?
Yes, thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Thank you. Leamon Wilson?
Okay.
All right. Scoot back from the camera just a little bit, sir. There you go. Now calling the matter of the people versus Leamon Wilson Jr. This is ticket P1358404. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record, please.
Lehman Wilson.
Thank you and good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Judge, the defendant sent me copies of his registration and insurance this morning. I have forwarded those to Corporation Counsel. Specifically, that is for a 2004 Mercedes-Benz with a VIN ending in 210. And the defendant's name, Lehman Jacoby Lee Wilson Jr. That is currently valid and will not expire until April 6th of 2023. That's the registration. Insurance for the same name for the same vehicle will not expire until June 6th of 2023 and was issued in December of 2022, Your Honor. Finding that the defendant has current and valid documents, as I've attested to as an officer of the court, would you dismiss the instant cases for compliance?
I will at this time, be an officer of the court, having testified to seeing now valid documents, court will grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Mr. Wilson, keep your stuff up to date and valid always, or else you'll just get more tickets, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Good, ma'am.
I will. Rita Williams?
Okay. Yes,
Someplace quiet for me first, okay?
I am. I'm sorry. I apologize.
It's okay. All right, ma'am. Now calling the matter of the people versus Rita Williams. This is ticket P1274813. Count 1, driver's license expired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am.
Rita Williams.
Judge, we're here for show cause, so we would ask that the court enter a not guilty plea for a purpose of arraignment, set this matter for a pre-trial. The defendant has been advised, I believe she'll be coming back in compliance, with all confidence.
All right. I do have a ticket. Count 3 of this ticket is no valid registration certificate, but it's in default. Do you have any motions at this time,
Set
counsel?
aside that default, Your Honor, and thank you.
At this time, the court is going to set aside the default so that if she comes back into compliance, she can have everything taken care of. Ma'am, your next action date is going to be April 11th. April 11th, 2023. That's going to be at 8:30 a.m. It is going to be via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that date. Please have all your documents ready at that time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, and I'll see you at that date, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, okay?
You too, thank you.
All right, bye-bye. Montoya Williams. Shanto. Oh, it's Williamson. I apologize. Pronounce your first name for me, please, ma'am.
Shantoya.
Shantoya, okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus Shantoya Williamson. This is ticket P 128486, count one, drove while license not valid. In warrant status, we have ticket number SP 1292529, count one, drove while license suspended. Count two and three of those tickets are in default. She has another count in default as well. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, ma'am.
Shantoya Williamson.
Judge, we ask that the court set aside any defaults, recall any capias as the defendant appears here today in person. Also, we'd ask that any matters in default be set aside and set for the next action date. A pretrial, please, and thank you.
All right. All right, at this time, the court will do such things, set aside the defaults that are currently in the system for these tickets. But ma'am, you gotta come back to court, okay?
Yes.
Because otherwise, they're going back in default and staying there, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna set this for next action date on the date of April 11th, okay?
Okay.
April 11, 2023. I'll set your bond at $0 personal on these matters, and it will be at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, the same way you came on today, okay, Ms. Williamson?
Okay.
All right, so we'll see you then, setting aside the default that went in on these cases, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Attorney Baldwin, I'm just gonna give the attorney for Mr. Young, the officer for Mr. Young, like 5-10 more minutes, and then I'll call it. But I wanna let you know that one of the cases, the U ticket, U422861117, that's a review, not a trial. So we already pled to the default.
Understood.
Okay, so the only one that's on trial for today is really the false info to the police officer. The other one is the arraignment and then a review.
Okay, so can you tell me how much he owes on that?
Yes, I can. Let me see.
Thank you.
Says he owes $396.
Ouch, okay.
Okay.
Fantastic.
It said he already paid some money, so ask him about it.
I will.
Okay. Good.
Ma'am. Good morning. What's your name, please?
Teresa Woods.
Okay, Ms. Woods, just one moment.
I hope this phone don't die.
He was trying to get you a courtroom so you could show it off and then you go and get.
Ms. Woods,
Yes,
you're in court. I'm trying to check you in. Would you please keep down the background noise?
okay, sorry.
She's in the building, but we can't have her come up because I don't have a court officer, so her phone is dying. She's talking to the cashier person.
Okay, did you hear that, Ms. Woods?
Yes.
No, she is. That's her. She's in the building right now. Miss Woods is like trying to be compliant, and her phone is dying, but we can't let her in the courtroom because there's no officer.
Judge,
Yes.
when you were addressing Ms. Woods about being in the building, the YouTube was echoing like it sometimes does what you said. Did you want her to come up to the courtroom?
She can't because I don't have a courtroom officer. So I would let her. So she was just saying the phone. She hoped the phone didn't die. She was talking to someone over there because her phone, she's on the first floor. She can't come upstairs because I don't have a courtroom officer. So I'm trying to help her. Did you talk to someone already, Miss Woods, or no? Were you able to go in the breakout room and talk to someone about your case?
I think you taking me up. I think the officer bringing me up.
Okay. All right.
You could just do it in the hallway.
Officers bring you up, then that's fine. Okay.
Okay,
All right.
thank you so much.
You're welcome. Of course.
That's the,
Okay. Thank you.
I think so. My phone is dying and
It's okay. Just log off so that you can preserve some of the stuff on your phone if you're coming upstairs right now with an officer.
I don't even know how to log off. That's a shame.
I got you. Is that they ready down there?
Yeah, she said she had. A couple of cases.
Attorney Kaufman, I'm gonna do Mr. Young too while we're having this young lady come up, okay?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm ready.
Rashard Young,
Yes, good morning.
good morning. Now calling the matters of the people versus Rashard Young. This is ticket U 52680519. This is one count of false information to a police officer. U ticket 422-86117. That's one count of EWAP, entering without owner's permission. Also case. That's just. Right. Okay, all right. All right, appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, 55052 for the defendant. Sir, state your full name.
Rashard Young.
Good morning, Mr. Young. Your Honor, this is date and time on two of these matters for trial. There being no complaining witness for either of those matters, and
If you expecting her, then yes, I was.
without a better explanation as to their absence, we will ask this court consider. I'm sorry, I'll go over.
I'm sorry, I was on mute. There was some noise in the background. I don't know where it was coming from, but I couldn't hear what you said. The last thing I heard, Mr. Bachman, was no complaining witness for either of those matters.
Okay, I'll go over.
Okay.
So both of those matters involve the defendant providing false information or ID without complaining witness. We'd ask the court to consider here a motion to dismiss without prejudice. As to that last remaining matter, Mr. Young, that ticket that you got for entering without owner's permission, turns out that you owe the court, okay? And your balance is $396.
Okay,
So we're just gonna ask the court kindly for some time to pay that.
okay.
All right, so the one trial that was on the docket for today is now 9:58. No officer having been present. The court is going to dismiss that case. The EWOP case, Attorney Bachman, is the one that we put in error as a trial that's really up here for a review.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, you got quite a few cases that are in disposition, as well as you need to pay off a couple of cases. I really advise you to go to the website and look all those up and start getting a payment plan together so that you can be able to pay those, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And I
All
made a
right, but-
misstatement. I'm sorry, Mr. Young. On your behalf, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea and ask that the other matter for which you appear for arraignment be set for a trial, please, and thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you are welcome. So the other ticket, and I may not have caught it on the record, was case number SP 13917273. Count 1, supply false information to ID to police officer. This matter is up on the docket for today. So that case right there is the case that is up for arraignment. Mr. Young,
Yes,
you have 2 cases that you supply false information to police officers. I don't want you to say anything back to me. I'm just letting you know right now. You have 2 cases where you supply false information to police officers. How does he stand on this newest case, Attorney Bachman?
Not guilty.
Not guilty. I'm gonna enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf. What do you want to do with that case that's now pending before the court?
Anything of that nature for trial, please, and thank you.
Okay, sir, could you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
yes,
It's my understanding you want to set this new trial for, a new case for a bench trial, is that correct?
yes,
All right, the date is going to be April 24th. April 24th via Zoom. That's gonna be at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. Mr. Young, between now and then, because that's a good amount of time, you need to have at least one of these tickets paid off or have a payment plan put in place so that you can start paying all the other tickets that you have in default off, okay?
yes, ma'am.
As far as the review today, I think it was just paying money. So I'm gonna continue. All right, you just have to pay the money on that one. So you're coming back solely on the bench trial on April for that matter, okay?
Yes,
All right, and look online to see what the other ones are, so you can start taking care of them and being responsible for them, please. Okay, sir?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. If nothing further, you are all set, sir. I'll see you back for your bench trial, okay?
Yes, ma'am. You have a good one. Thank you.
You too. Thank you very much. Attorney Bachman, I do have one in person who just came up here.
Okay. Your Honor,
Yes,
looking on the docket, I do believe that may be Attorney Duplessis's assigned matter.
it is. And she just came in the courtroom.
Okay.
So Ms. Woods, can you step up here, please? I'm gonna have you come over here. Yeah. To the mic, cause she gonna have to talk into the mic. All right. Stand right here. Good morning, Judge. Good morning, how are you doing?
Good morning.
Good. All right, you're gonna talk to Attorney Baughman. If you have some documents, we are gonna look at them so that we can see what's going on. So just talk to him and tell him what's going on. This is Miss Teresa Woods. She has some documents in her hand, so I'm hoping it's compliance documents. I'll be right back, okay? Okay.
Mr. Bob,
Good morning.
Hi,
are you finished with Mr. Young, Devin Young?
that is Ms. Duplessis's client.
Oh, okay.
So I'm not sure if Ms. Duplessis came in this morning.
Yes, she's in person.
Oh, okay. I think the judge just told me that. Okay, so the person that also is there in person is Teresa Woods.
Yes.
All right.
The language we had next Thursday night, I had that. You can sit down to the judge from there. And I ain't going, this is too much time. Attorney Baughman, are you ready on Miss Woods?
Is she ready? Do we
Yeah,
have-
she was here. She was
Does she
standing
have
in
the
front of the
documents?
camera. Miss Woods, do you have documents? My registration and my insurance is what I'm supposed to have. That's good, attorney does. Yes, I have my insurance and registration.
Okay, we're ready. Be pleased to meet you in a moment, okay?
Mhm. Now you have to speak into the judge. Like she coming out. Right. I think she's coming right now. I'm sorry. It's okay. This is like everyday, just everyday thing. It's. What are you trying to do?
Oh, I'm sorry. It's been a morning already.
I know.
All right. I'm here. am Devin Young. I'm trying to talk to Crystal before we're doing record.
Yeah, so I don't quite know where she is, so I guess.
I think I wrapped up and seen her.
Okay.
I know we're ready on her.
Yeah, she has it back.
Okay, cool. All right. We can do Miss Woods.
Yeah, she has
Okay, all right. Now, Miss Sandy, ready?
Yes, Judge, I am. Thanks.
Oh, cool. I just wanted to make sure before I started talking. All right. Got the latest one? Hold on a minute.
No.
So he knows, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Teresa Woods, say Miss Woods. I don't know how you say your name on record.
All right.
Teresa Woods, this is ticket number P13688989. This is count one, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Teresa Woods.
Say your name again, please.
Teresa Woods.
Thank you, Harry Baughman, for defendant, Your Honor.
All right, we had a discussion in the courtroom, Attorney Baughman, because she was showing me her documents, and one of them is not, she grabbed the wrong one. So she's gonna have to come back. I'm gonna give her the date of February 24th, because she said Fridays work better for her. For a pretrial, she's gonna grab the right one that she has at home and be able to show us at that point in time. I just don't want us to move forward, and she has correct documents. She just happened to grab the wrong ones today.
Understood.
So the court is going to set a bond of $0 personal. She's gonna sign on via Zoom next time, and she's gonna be able to get all this documents and information to us so we can get the best resolution possible. Okay? All right, if there's nothing further, that can close this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Wood. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very, very much. You're welcome. All right.
can't hear anything.
Taisha Burton. Taisha Burton. Can you hear me, sir? Can you hear me?
Hello?
Okay, very good. Good morning, sir. What is your name?
Devin Young.
Oh, no, not you, Mr. Young. Yeah, just leave your phone on mute, Mr. Young, until you're asked to take it off.
Okay.
Taisha Burton. Taisha Burton. Please take your phone off mute.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Hey,
Please, please turn your.
can you hear me?
I can see you also. What's your name?
Reginald Williams.
All right, Mr. Williams, just one moment. Okay, I have you checked in, Mr. Williams.
Alrighty.
Put your phone on mute for a moment.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Judge, Mr. Williams just checked in. Do you want him to call the courtroom or put him in the waiting room? You want me to put him in the breakout room, Mr. Hoffman?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
What was the name again?
I didn't even change it. My apologies. Reginald.
Reginald Williams? Sure, I'll see you in the breakout room.
Okay, I'm gonna change his name. Mr. Williams,
Yes, ma'am.
press join when you receive the invitation to the breakout room. You'll be able to talk with Mr. Hoffman about your case in private.
I'm sorry. One more time. It's breaking up.
Yeah, you're going to receive an invitation to join the breakout room so that you
Okay.
can talk to Hoffman about your case. So just
Uh,
press join when you receive that invitation.
Yes, ma'am. And that's the judge.
No, the attorney. You'll talk
You
with.
said-
Join room 3, sir.
Join breakout room 3.
Hello, Madam Clerk? Is this Mr. Edwards? Hey, what's going on? Look at this boy. Look at this motherfucker right here, right here.
This my lawyer.
What?
This the one I told you I had to go pick up from the
What?
airport.
Look, I just got in. Look,
My baby right here.
I had to get some different shoes because my other shoes was stinking. So what you think of them?
They look comfortable.
They look comfortable.
It look like you're gonna be able to walk on the
They
trail.
know no brand. They know
No, he
brand.
said he's taking the dog.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Oh, he sure did. He brought me grapefruit, man. See, that's why I said, man.
You got him working out too with you?
No, he ain't started me working out. Would you work out?
He just said a treadmill.
Oh, man.
It look like it's a good treadmill.
Look.
Sweet.
Oh, they,
Yeah.
Hey, Mr.
Go on the dog.
See, that's what I like. He said they no brand.
Loud.
They too big though. I got size 14. I thought because
Mr. Jones,
your feet so fat. Your feet so fat.
Mr. Jones,
Yes. Oh, hello. I'm so sorry.
we can hear you out your, but for some reason I can't put you on mute. Would you put yourself on mute?
But Madam Clerk, is Mr. Whitlock still there?
This is the court reporter. I heard you calling for the clerk. She must be busy. Mr. Whitlock, yeah, he's in the breakout room. We were waiting.
Okay.
He's in, let's see, where is he? He's in breakout room number 7. I guess when the clerk is,
Attorney Jones, are you ready on your matter?
Okay. Well, I'm just waiting to put it on the record.
Attorney Jones, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Mr. Plessis, if you don't mind coming up to the microphone to actually speak in it. Yes. Devin Young, will you make yourself visible for the, Attorney Jones, I'll come back to you in a moment, okay? Devin Young? There you go.
hey, Judge. Okay.
Let's try that. Can you guys hear me better?
All right. Now calling, Miss Sandy, you ready?
Yeah.
No, put the other. This isn't requested. This one. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Devin Warren Young. This is U ticket 629-47822. This is one count of brandishing a firearm in public. This is the date and time set in this matter for a final pretrial. We're set for a jury trial on the date of February 15, 2023. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ashley Duplessis, P82896. On behalf of Mr. Young, who's appearing by Zoom. Devin, can you state your full name for the record?
Yes, Devin Warren Young.
I think you might be muted.
Are you mute? Oh, no, we're just down. Really
Oh, there we go.
all right. All right.
Devin
Sorry,
Warren.
Devin. You again?
All right. How are we proceeding today, counsel?
Well, Your Honor, defense counsel is ready for a jury trial on Wednesday. However, we came in today and found out that there are more charges from this incident that somehow were not entered into the computer. Now, we think on the charge that was set for Wednesday, we will be able to file a motion to dismiss on that charge based on the jury instructions. However, I need those civil infractions to be entered into the system so we can handle those as well.
Okay. So how would you like to proceed with this matter?
So I talked to sister counsel. She's going to be getting me the body cam and discovery I had requested. We're thinking about coming back for a pretrial on the 28th, if that's open. And at that time, I hope I'll have those motions to dismiss ready to go.
So is it my understanding that you no longer want the jury trial on the 15th?
No, that's the position we're in. I mean, we're ready to go to trial. However, with those civil infractions from the same incident pending, it doesn't make sense to not handle them at the same time.
Okay. All right. Can you look at my 28th? Is that a date? Or we're gonna have to go into March. little rough. So let's go into March. We're gonna have to push it out to March.
Okay.
13th to 10th.
My 10th is wide open if you give me.
Oh, I won't be here. I had training on the 10th, so I can't do the 9th or the 10th. That's not too bad, right? March 13th, can you look at March 13th?
Sure, can we do it a little later in the morning if that's okay, maybe 10?
Yes,
I could do another sentencing first.
yep, March 13th at 10. Mr. Young, I know this may be a frustrating process for you. However, your attorney's trying to make sure that you get the best resolution in this matter. It seems like all the counts weren't put in. Now, we can move forward on Wednesday if you want, but the other counts, you'll just be back before me again. So give your counsel some time to file the appropriate motions she needs to make the appropriate things towards this court. We'll make that a motion hearing day too, so please file those motions by that time. And I'll hear before the court. So I'll see you both on March 13th. Now do you want it to be in person or otherwise?
If by Zoom is possible, I'll be.
By Zoom is fine. So your bond's gonna continue. We will work diligently to get the other 2 tickets in the system by that point in time as well. Okay, Mr. Young?
All right.
All right.
Devin, give me 5 minutes to walk to my car and I'll call you, okay?
She'll call you. She's trying to work it out for the best interest. I know you just want all this to go away because it's been almost a year, but sometimes it moves a little slowly and sometimes you want it to move a little slowly so that you can get the best outcome. Okay, Mr. Young?
All right.
All right. I'm telling you, just listen. Just take the advice of your attorney. I know it can be tough and you want everything to snip, snap, snap, go, but sometimes just wait and see what happens, okay?
All right.
All right, Mr. Young, if there's nothing further, you're all set. I'll see you back via Zoom that day, okay?
Okay. What about the trial date now? Because
Don't worry about that. That's the 15th. Don't worry about that anymore because we don't have the other tickets in the system. And so they're gonna try and work something out. So just
what
hold
about
tight.
after that day? When will the trial be there?
So I have some trial dates soon thereafter. I put some trial dates on some different days, but I have quite a few. So now if you want to have a jury trial, if they don't work it out, I have some March, I have some April, I have some May, so we'll get it in pretty early.
March.
Yep.
We'll take care of you, I promise.
Yep, I was about to say, we have some, I mean, you're more than welcome. I mean, you don't have to listen to your attorney, but she's here for a reason, so.
Oh yeah, I was about to say the same thing.
I'm about to say, she's here for a reason, so just, I know it's a long process. Let me tell you, some other courts and jurisdictions do it really quickly, but you can imagine, we over here in Detroit have an abundance of cases. So we try, and we just started doing jury trials again. We really just started doing jury trials at the end of last year, so we're trying to play catch up. But I promise, Mr. Young, I'm not gonna delay it. It's not gonna be in August or something like that. When we look at if we need to go to trial, we're gonna look at the schedules, and I'm gonna try and get it scheduled as quickly as possible, okay?
All right.
Okay, Mr. Young.
All right, Devin, I'll call you, okay?
All right.
All right, bond set at $0 personal. There's nothing further. We're all set.
All righty. Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
All right, I will, thank you. All right, Attorney Jones, I see you. You look like you got good internet now.
Your Honor, thank you. Let me turn off this other one. Hold on.
Okay, fantastic.
Your Honor, I'm ready. I just
Okay.
had about 7 Zooms today.
I understand, it's so busy sometimes.
Welcome back to Detroit. I'm back.
Thank you so much. You're back. I love it. Welcome back.
We've got Kevin Whitlock.
Oh, I do have Kevin Woodlock. So I don't know who Reginald Williams is. Okay, I'm getting him out the room right now.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kevin Woodlock? Mr. Woodlock?
Whitlock, Kevin, where you at?
Kevin Woodlock?
Oh, boy.
Hello?
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Kevin Anthony Woodlock. This is ticket X 4028422. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Multiple operators license. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with the attorney, please.
Your Honor, may it please this honorable court, Gary Jones, P number 56072, appearing on behalf of Kevin Whitlock.
Mr. Whitlock, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Kevin Anthony Whitlock.
All right, how are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, we're setting this for bench trial. I believe we were here before, and I know we did an arraignment, but that's basically where we're at.
Okay. Sir, if you would like to have a bench trial, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk with your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
You want the judge to hear the case instead of 6 people from the community. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to set it for a bench trial date. Mr. Jones, look this up. April 11 at
Your
9
Honor?
a.m.
Your
Yes.
Honor? Can
Yes.
we do it before March 29th or after, here's the after, or after June 1st. The reason is, so that the court knows, I leave Michigan on March 29th to go back to San Antonio. And I'll be there for about a month and won't be back till June 1st. So if we could do it before then, that would be wonderful. I don't want to rush the court or rush the people, but it's not a complicated case.
I'm here. I'm doing my docket. Look at March 10th. I'm doing my docket. Give me 1 minute. We'll be here. Oh, yeah. I keep doing that date. March 26th. Look, does March 22nd work for you, Attorney Jones?
I will make it work, Your Honor.
March 22nd, okay? Mr. Whitlock's having a little, make sure he knows it's gonna be March 22nd, 2023 at 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay? I'm gonna set his bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome, Attorney Jones. Thank you.
Take care.
All right, you too. I'll see you then, okay?
All right.
All right. Attorney Bachman, you ready on Mr. Williams?
Yeah.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Reginald Williams. This is case number SP 691055, count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 780381, count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number X 3285325, count 1, no operator's license on person. Ticket number 1349314, count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle, count 2, improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May I please support Harry Boffman for the defendant? Mr. Williams, state your full name for the record.
Reginald Williams.
Thank you, Your Honor. The purpose of today's hearing is for an arraignment on a bench warrant. The defendant would ask that the court enter a not guilty plea here, and thank you for its formal reading. We ask that the matter be set for a pretrial, Your Honor. The defendant does present today with valid license and registration, but he's going to get some insurance. His car has been down for a minute. And then that's going to make it a lot easier to resolve these matters at his next court date.
Okay. Sir, you gonna come back to court? Because this is arraignment on the bench warrant.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the court is going to set aside the warrants that are currently out there. I'm gonna enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf. I'm gonna set this for a pretrial on the date of April 11. April 11th, 2023. That was supposed to be a pre-trial day. I done gave that as a pre-trial. Oh, I'll figure it. All right, I'm gonna do that at 8:30 a.m., sir. And I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. So just to let you know, one ticket is already in default and it's a 2018 case, so I'm not bringing that out. So you need to kind of take care of that, okay, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
If nothing further, they'll come back with all those documents so they can make the appropriate request to the prosecutor's office, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Williams, you're all set, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You're very, very welcome, Mr. Williams. Now come back to court so we can take care of your matters, please.
I promise I will.
I like to hear that, Mr. Williams. I'll see you in April, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a good day.
I'm sorry. I want to jot that date down one more time.
Okay, absolutely.
April 11th.
Yep, and same Zoom number and everything, okay? But sign in on time, okay? 8:30. All right.
All right.
You need the Zoom number? You need the Zoom number?
337, correct?
Yep, 337. Yep.
All right. All righty.
All right. All right, Mr. Williams, we'll see you then, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.